I am Jefferson Espanola, and today we will be discussing about fire hazard. In the event of a fire, it is important to know the proper procedures to follow because fire is fast, blazing fast. In less than 30 seconds, a small flame grown into a major fire. And guess what? That's not the time to start learning with the incidents. In this video, we will discussing about the fire hazard. We will identify the classes of fire, recognize hazardous conditions, appropriate actions to take before an emergency, and what to do of an actual fire. Number 1. How the fire start anyway? For a fire to occur, two elements are necessary. First, the fuel source. Fire needs something to burn such as solid, liquid, or gas. Second, oxygen supply. There needs to be a sufficient supply of oxygen to keep a fire burning. And lastly, heat or an ignition source, something just start to fire. Where three elements are present, there is a chain reaction that results combustion, or otherwise known as fire triangle. You can save life every day by taking precautions in fire prevention. Let's look each class of fire separately. Class A fire, ordinary combustibles. Remove excess paper and debris. Smoke only in designated area. Keep combustibles materials in a covered metal container. Class B fire, combustible liquids. Use in a well-ventilated area. Properly store in sealed, spill-proof containers. Keep cans to less than 5 gallons. Keep storage at least 20 feet from the building. Class C fire, electrical equipment. Check for old or worn wiring and broken damaged fittings. Report faulty equipment immediately. Wall outlets should not be overloaded. When working in extension cords, remember that there are for temporary use, not substitute for permanent wiring, not frayed or broken, never place under carpet or rugs, not hang on fire protection equipment. Class D fire, combustible metal. Follow your department safety policies if you work with metals such as magnesium, potassium, and sodium. Class K fire, oils and fats. Kitchen design and equipments adhere to the building local fire codes. Appropriate extinguishing agents are installed. Staff members are fully trained on how to respond to a fire. Be safe and be smart by preventing fire before they start. Don't let a fire catch you by surprise. Number 1. Plan ahead. Truly familiarize yourself with your work area, so if you ever face with fire emergency, you know what to do and where to go. Take note of locations and know at least 2 ways out. Turn off locations of fire extinguishers so you decide to fight the fire. Locate fire alarm pull stations. These are critical for alerting the other occupancies in the building. Know what to do in the event of fire. In case of fire, if the fire is activated, evacuate the building immediately. Never assume it's a drill. If you ignore fire alarm, you could end up trapped inside the burning building. Never use an elevator to get out in a burning building. Always use the stairs. Know and always follow your emergency actions plan. Know your escape room and meeting location. Always stay calm.